Do you believe that you are part of black culture?
I believe I'm a part of the Jamaican culture.
Okay.
What's the difference to you?
The difference to me is that what is the black culture, you cannot just define black culture as black culture because it varies. I relate with the Jamaican culture because it's a culture that I grew up in. You know, we have black British culture, so that's a different thing. But to me, black British culture is a merge of like Jamaican, Caribbean, and Africa and England together. That makes the black British culture. That's what I would say. But I cannot define in one sentence to say this is black culture because it's.
Can I ask a quick question?
Of course.
When did you decide that you were Jamaican? Was it when you came back over here? Was it when someone asked you? Like, was there an experience where you just felt, I identify as a Jamaican man?
Let me explain to you there. And I don't know if I've ever said this on an interview anywhere yet, but my mother, before me, she had a miscarriage. So when she was pregnant with me, she could have gave birth to me in Jamaica.
Right.
But where we live, the hospitals weren't great. So obviously she has that opportunity to leave. Once she had me and did the checks, 3 months on a plane back to Jamaica. So from there until what I know has been that. So it's not like I wake up one day and say, oh, 5-year-old, I want to be Jamaican. Oh, 10-year-old, I think I'm Jamaican. 12-year-old,
cool.
I'm definitely Jamaican.
Yeah.
It's just what's inside. You understand what I mean, brother?
To call yourself a Jamaican, that's interesting because you said that you weren't born there. But I guess if the community to which you kind of were raised in, which is Jamaica, obviously, if they've embraced you, the large swaths of them and stuff, and if you've got citizenship, I don't know if you have, but yeah, from where I come.
Harry, do you have a Jamaican passport?
Yes, I do.
So I find it interesting as well because how do you decide? White Yardie, I'm from Jamaica. My grandparents are from Jamaica.
Yeah.
My dad's born there. My mum was born here. You probably would know more about Jamaica than me, just because I'm black now. If I said I'm Jamaican, no one's going to question me. It is, you're just Jamaican.
Exactly.
But you probably know how to cook yard food. You know how to do all
That's
of that
my life.
better than me. So then, who are we to tell him? Actually, no, you're not Jamaican, just because he's white.
Is I went to school in Jamaica, so when people are when people here are talking about, oh, you cannot represent the culture, you're not from Jamaica, you're not this, like that, you know nothing about the black culture, and I'm like, you were born here, you were raised here, you went to school here. That means if you went to school for like how long do you go to school when you're here? Like what?
Too long.
Like, how many years? Just say like 12 years. Or something.
Yeah, about that. Yeah.
So 14 years. Realistically, they only taught you what? 14 months of black history. My whole schooling was black history. So I learned everything about the culture. So when I'm in school, we don't have a month to say this is white history month because we have to accept that white. Yeah, I don't care about that. I'm there to learn, and I'm not even there to learn. I'm just going with what I know is life.
Would you say that someone like White Yardie is culture appropriating?
No, not at all. I think that, you know, not least because he actually has some connection to many of these parts of the world, but he clearly doesn't have intentions to denigrate, to humiliate, or to make a particular culture inferior in the eyes of the majority of society. He's clearly doing it from a sense of appreciation and a sense of sharing love, and I think that that is something that is positive.
But White Yardie, Harry, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
It's been a pleasure, and I think that you've been a very valued member of this panel. Also, after the break,
we just clapped.
I know, for the white man. Clap your cheeks for the white man.
So guys, would you trust me if I say there are white Jamaicans that speak really good patois than you would imagine? So let's watch these clips and then we'll come back and talk about it.
A lot of people don't know or don't believe that there are white Jamaicans. So today I'm going to show you. What is your name?
What kind of question you ask me? You don't know my name long time already. We can't put my name on the internet, girl. What's wrong with you?
Where are you from?
I come from Jamaica. I come from the western part of Jamaica. We can't really tell you where we come from down there though, because we don't know where we come from.
What kind of food do you like to eat?
Well, I like all kind of food. Anything they make in Jamaica, I like ackee and saltfish. Put a piece of fried pork in it. Can't beat that. I really love the curry goat with rice. I don't like rice and peas though, but I love curry goat and rice. And well, I don't use so much bami, but I love bami too. The more me think about it, I love goat belly soup, and my mother used to make hog food, but since we live abroad, I don't get that no more. I love any kind of Jamaican food.
What's your favorite thing about Jamaica?
The favorite thing about Jamaica, the sunshine. Can't beat that. Nice and warm. You don't really get no cold weather down there. And the people. Jamaican people are the warmest, kind-hearted people in the whole world. You can meet anybody on the street, just chat to them, and they talk to you. They don't really care who you are, where you come from, what you look like. And well, I mean, I know everything in Jamaica nice. I miss Jamaica, because I used to live there, and I live there no more, but I love Jamaica.
Who's your favorite reggae artist?
Well, my favorite reggae artist from a long time ago, Yellow Man. I remember Yellow Man when he was big in the 80s when we used to live. Nobody, no reggae artist can excite the crowd more than Yellow Man. Once he go up on the stage, he mix it up with all in lyrics and in different styles. Blueberry Hill, Zungo Zungo Zuzin, whatever that one they call me, can't even pronounce it.
Is there anything else you'd like to add?
But I mean, I don't know, because enough people watch this video and then probably wonder, why may I put this on the internet? Well, my daughter born in Jamaica too, and she always bother me because she on the internet all the time, and I don't know, say, she don't believe that enough people believe, say, white people come from Jamaica. The Jamaican motto is, out of many, one people. So you got all different kind of people in Jamaica, and I'm just an example of, I guess, one of them.
So now we're going to get my dad to pronounce some words. So Dad, can you say the first one on this list?
Woven.
Okay, how about the second one?
Water.
Okay, how about the third one?
Character.
Okay, what about the fourth one?
Pronunciation varies.
Yep. And Dad, what is this?
Cutex.
Okay, now what color is it?
Orange. What's wrong with you? You don't know your color? Don't forget to subscribe. Alright? Take care.
That sounds like English.
Okay, but me don't know what you said, Kelly. Listen, I don't live in Jamaica no more, you know.
And one of the subscribers asked me this week if we would tell a little story about growing up in Jamaica as a white girl. And when I read that, I thought to myself, to be honest, I never experienced racism in Jamaica all the years I was living there. I say, it didn't even cross my mind. Like, when I was little and when my mother car back, I was driving down the hill and a little girl or a little boy yelled out to me, white girl, it just come in like a pet name to me. And to be honest, that's how it always was. And when I get big now, and I have my own car, and I get like a flat tire, I'm dip on the side of the road and come out of the car, gone in the trunk, and I look for the jack. And by the time I open the car back, me just see one or two cars stop, and them offering to help me, and before me know it, two tools them fix up the tire and me go about the business. And just Jamaican people, they're warm, friendly, and full of joke. And the next thing I remember now too is nobody no go by them name and them birth certificate. Nobody at all. Them go by alias all the while. So like I remember some name. One of them is Fat Man, and him doing fat, And next one, Germs. And next one, Pressure Foot, and Pinchers, and Dog Heart. You name it, they come up with some name. And if you ever hear the story of how the name stick on them, you're dead with laugh. You can't just remember some of those stories, So, growing up on a farm, to be honest, it was a lovely, lovely life. Because me and the picnic and the farm workers used to just run all over the property. And we go and we pick guinea, and we pick star apple, and we used to get the headman to help us, and he pick jackfruit, yes. And my mother never liked the jackfruit, because she never liked the smell of the jackfruit at all. And me love a jackfruit, so that was a little problem for us. But I just went round and find a little place, and we sit down and we pick out the jackfruit and we eat it, and boy, it's a nice fruit. So anyway, some of the time we go in the bush, and we used to catch fish in the pond, and turtle, and all them something, and we were looking on our foot, you know. Sometimes we brush past a bush and grass lice hop off like a grass lice nest, land on your pants, and you just see them moving like an army coming up your leg. And we used to just fly, go back to the house and rip off the pants and mother used to get out white rum and rub us down. And boy, there was, I mean, when I look back, I have to really laugh because those were some good times, you know. And I just love Jamaica. I love Jamaican life and I love Jamaican people. And Jamaican white people are 1% of Jamaica. And we never experienced racism.
A few stuff in Patwa. Come back here. How you go? Pick me in our ear. Try speaking straight English right now. Come here. Where are you going? Then I was done. Not English. I mean, I don't want to say. Come back here. How you go? Pick me in our ear.
Yeah, for a little bit more emphasis.
Yeah, yard man, no, for that.
You have to have the right start.
Yeah. So you out here in UK, but you from Jamaica? Like it's
No, so I'm from the UK, but we represent for Jamaica.
You represent for Jamaica?
Yeah.
What that, like you just saying?
We just represent. Because that is it. I just feel with style.
Fuck it, yeah.
Yeah, you can't go around it. It is what it is. Is it me?
Yeah, it's in you. It's in your blood.
It's just there, naturally.
Fuck it.
Is it me?
All right, so what's your name, man?
Mr. Turn Red.
I like that. I like that idea, yeah. Why they call you that? Like, what's the
Because
real?
we make the turn red.
Yeah.
Yeah. These things from the Jamaican community learn.
Me a
Hey boy.
Yeah.
Let me just hear something you say.
Me I do that. Me a sorry.
Yeah, you know what you there?
Me bad mate.
You know what say there?
Me a bad man. Me a bad man.
You feel say me not
Yo,
Jamaican,
bad man, bad me for that. Yo, bad girl for
me
that.
what you say a while ago.
Me a bad.
Don't know watch yourself,
Me a
you know
bad.
just
Me
know where you
bad.
at.
But you're not Jamaican. All right, it. Let's see what you got, man.
Big bombo class before busting on me head. A sexy girl that says she want to give me head. When my turn red. Gymnastic. Now the dead.
Yeah, no, I'll fuck with that, man.
All right,
I like a white Jamaican, man.
Hey, let me tell them girl them say.
Yeah.
Take kind of see what daddy for me.
What'd you say right there? Fuck on it now, say fuck on it now. What's the first song? Say that again. I need.
All right, she turned red.
That's called Turn Red.
Big bomb.
That could be a hit for us. I'm telling you, man. When me
turn red.
You got a hit.
It
Welcome home,
where
baby.
I'm from, does it? It don't matter. Go turn red.
Yeah, we'll just start from the top. Yeah.
One leap of blood clot smoking out of the air.
Yeah.
Get out of the kitchen, she was f***ing out of the chair.
Yeah.
Get out of the bathroom, cock it up upon the stairs, and I'm stepping out like a very gala Johnny here.
No white girl from Jamaica talks like that, y'all. How do I know? Then him say him know few. But me and a them and a me. That are the thing. Me want to deliver patois anyhow me want to deliver. So if you not like me way of delivering the great patois, that's none of my problems. None of my problems that now go somewhere where you satisfy yourself or your ears. Cause none of my problem that. None of my problem that. Me no business.
I'm not saying that my great come on from the board. Come on from the board from Rock the foot. You know, my great grandfather is from England. Yeah. And we're not interested in going to England.
My game. You say that in the England thing. Burn up Babylon.
Yeah, England, them mad people.
Are your grandfather come from there?
Yeah. But in change up change up with the German them. But when you go to Canada, and you tell us say from Jamaica, they expect say a few black people, dark people come from Jamaica. It's a one set of pussies them, not true?
Yeah.
Yeah,
they never knows the straight nose man there.
Yeah. And when this hard patter,
here.
I'm going to be a joke.
Yeah.
My son, you know, up, live out Canada now, fit. He go to college and everything up here and live over 5-6 years now up there. And he never can go down to Toronto. So then go to one club.
Yeah.
And then see some Jamaican And they tell him, say, yo, I'm a Jamaican, yeah. He said, no, I'm a imitate the Jamaican. And they want to fight. They want to fight them. Want to fight my nephew and my son.
Wow.
Because they trick him and trick them.
If you know how your foundation of Jamaica, yeah.
And Shane saw that the pastor now. He said, "Bomba clot, this man a Jamaican for true."
Mind game, them, mind game, man.
Yeah.
He said, "Blood clot, this man a Jamaican for true."
Like I'm a renegade. Me don't know you know kind of young to remember the show Renegade. Or you know it?
Yeah, welcome man.
Alright, me have one bike look like him, so that's something get in there.
Okay.
You see that building out there, so? Right back right there, so me born. Me no born out man too. But me go I can do
So you see one time they call it Jesus, they don't say Jesus, they say Lord Jesus.
Don't know Baker said, Lord Jesus ain't coming. You think I joke? Everybody.
Where are the family?
What's up guys, wagwan my good people, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. If you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate that so much. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Kindly give the video a like, share, and watch till the end. So guys, today we are covering those clips that you just saw. Those are white Jamaicans. A lot of people don't really know that white Jamaicans do exist, that speak just the way Jamaicans do. They think that Jamaica is just a black country, like it's a black people nation, just like Africa or any other place in Africa. But then what you don't know is that Jamaica is predominantly black, but we still have white, we have Chinese, we have Indo-Jamaicans, and we have all those kind of people in Jamaica. So for those who don't know, I hope these clips actually make sense to you right now, or they adapt something, because when we talk about white Jamaicans, they have been there for the longest period. They were nearly the first people in Jamaica, because they are the ones that took white, black people, Chinese people, and those people actually came to Jamaica to work for them, but now they exist in Jamaica. And most of these white people, they were the ones that were originally there, who came there first, and then took the black Jamaicans from Africa, and mostly from West Africa, not all over Africa, mostly from West Africa, that is Nigeria, and Ghana. And also there were other people such as Chinese who also came to Jamaica later. But we have white Jamaicans that we're talking about. They came in the years between 1400s and 1500. Can you imagine the period that they have been in Jamaica? They have had generations. But now, as we are talking, we have real white Jamaicans that are intermarrying. They are contributing majorly to the economy of Jamaica, that people don't really know or recognize them, which is something that is not actually good, because if they are not recognized, then that is how they will be wiped out of the history of Jamaica. Yet they are the main people, or they are the people that majorly contributed to the economy of Jamaica. So as we talk, we have a lot of intermarrying going on in Jamaica between black people Chinese people, Indians, and whites. So the originality of white Jamaicans is actually fading off. It's fading off in that you will no longer find that purely white person speaking patois, or purely white person who is a little younger and all that, because there will always be intermarrying, because these people live in the same environment, they share the same things, the same food, they speak the same language, and definitely they will end up intermarrying. And they have actually been part of Jamaica's growth all through. Talking about developments, talking about food, talking about culture, they have contributed, they are part of it, they are part of that Jamaica's culture. The way you see those, let's talk about food, but mostly with food, Indians contributed so much to the food in Jamaica, and also Chinese, and we also have white people, black people, and this is one country that is least known for what do we call racism, because people are used to being together as black people, white people. They are together, they live together, they don't discriminate and all that, So if you never knew about white Jamaicans, I hope this video actually educates you, informs you about white Jamaicans. I know mostly the people that don't really know are not Jamaicans. They are people from other countries, the USA, UK, Africa. They don't really understand the culture of Jamaica. And when we say Jamaica, we talk about a certain motto, or a motto that actually brings them all together. That is, out of many, one people. That means we have different people that came together as one, made one language, which is patois, speak it together, and share the same environment together. So out of many, one people. Always learn that from Jamaica's culture. So guys, let me know, maybe you are from one of those families that are white Jamaicans, Chinese Jamaicans, maybe your grandparents, your ancestors, whatever, they are white Jamaicans or Chinese Indians, Let me know about your history in the comment section, and I will really appreciate. Thank you so much, and kindly like the video. See you in my next one.